Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Cullivan, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about finding the values of a two-digit number. So we're going to describe the values of a two-digit number. So a two-digit number is a number that has two digits. Remember that vocabulary word, digits? So it has two numbers like 25, 32, 91. So they're bigger than 9. All right, let's start with reviewing our vocabulary words for this unit very quickly. Do you know this word? I think you do. Even, that's right. An even number is a number that can be divided equally into two groups, so share with you and a friend, or they can be divided into partners, into pairs, into groups of two. So you can see there, we divided those into twos, and so did those boys and girls when they were working with their teacher. Our next vocabulary word is what, boys and girls? Odd, that's right. An odd number cannot be divided equally. It cannot be put into two equal groups. It can't be shown as a doubles fact. And if you divide them into groups of two, what happens? That's right. One's going to be left over at the end. So you can see here that we have the number 5, and we circled groups of two, but there was one that didn't have a partner. And here with socks, if two socks and two socks and two socks, but there's that one sock that doesn't have a partner, and that's because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is an odd number. Very good. And our last vocabulary word is what, boys and girls? Digits, that's right. And who remembers what a digit is? It's a number, that's right. A digit is just another word for a number. That's why we're going to work with two-digit numbers today. That means it is a number with two numbers. So instead of saying two numbers, we're going to say two-digit numbers. All right, yep, and that's just what I said we were going to do. We're going to talk about the values of the digits in a two-digit number. So let's start with the number 63. So 63 has two digits, a 6 and a 3. Now the easiest way to kind of visualize and see the values of each number is to use some manipulatives. So I'm going to use longs and units today. I'm going to show you 6 longs. That long right there that you see is worth 10, right? So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and now I'm going to use units. 1, 2, 3. So there's the number 63, boys and girls, using longs and units. How many tens did I put up there? Do you remember? 6. 6 tens. And how many ones? That's the units, the little ones by themselves. 3. That's right. 63 is represented with 6 tens and 3 ones. Or you could say 6 longs and 3 units. Now, if I wanted to find the value of the 6 in 63, so that yellow box that just popped up says, what is the value of the underlined digit? Or which digit is underlined? The 6. So if I wanted to know what is the value of the 6 in 63, I'm just going to look at those 6 tens. Because that 6 in 63, I'm going to circle it for you. Hold on one second. Up here, you see that 6 in 63? That represents these 6 tens. The 3 represents the 3 ones. But in this problem, we don't care about the 3. We're just focusing on the 6. So the 6 represents 6 tens. What is the value of 6 tens? This is a 10, a 10, a 10, a 10, a 10. So what is the value of these 6 tens? Remember, let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. The value of 6 tens is 60. So that 6 right there is worth 60. Okay? Let's try another one. This time we're going to talk about 41. So the first thing I'm going to do is use my longs and units to represent 41. How many longs or how many tens do you think I need in 41? 4, that's right. and I can count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then what do I need? 1. 1 or 1 unit, right? There's 4 tens and 1 1. So I'm going to write that down there, 4 tens and 1 1. You see that? Here's my 4 tens, and I wrote 4 tens, and here's my 1 1. And you can see 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 41. So my picture represents 41. Now this time, which digit is underlined? The 1. So we're going to focus on the 1. And what does the 1 represent? Right here, 1, 1. And how much is 1, 1? Just 1. Very good. So what is the value of the underlined digit in 41? It's 1. Very good. Let's do another one. This time we're going to talk about 37. 37. So let's start by drawing that quick pic of 37. 10, 20, 30. How many units do I need this time? Do you know? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many tens do I have, boys and girls, right here? 3 tens and 7 ones. Very good. Now look over here, and the value of the underlined digit that they want us to focus on is the 3. So I'm just going to look at this, boys and girls, the 3 tens. What is the value of 3 tens? Do you know? 10, 20, 30. There it is. The value of the 33 in 37 is 30. And you can even hear it, 37. You say the answer right when you say the number. All right. Ooh, 88. Ooh, I'm already starting the pictures. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88. Now, which digit is underlined? This one. Oh, they're both 8s though. Is this the 10s or the 1s? It is the 10s. We have 8 10s and we have 8 1s, but I'm only going to pay attention to the 8 10s because that's the digit they've underlined. What is the value of 8 10s? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. That's right. The value of 8 tens is 80. Good job, boys and girls. I think we have one more. We do. This time it's the number 15. How many longs should I draw for 15? Right here. Just one. And how many units? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many tens in 15? 1. And how many ones? 5. And which number is underlined in this? The 5. So I'm just going to look at the 5 ones. What is the value of 5 ones? That's right. It's 5. Nice job, boys and girls. Ooh. Let's see. Now we're going to just try a little quick game here to see if you can do this mentally without the pictures. So we have the 31. In my head, I can picture those 3 longs and 1 unit. What is the value of the 1 in 31? That's 1, 1, so the value is 1. Very good. How about the value of the 3 in 43? Oh, that's the ones column again, 3 units. So the value is 3. Nice job. Let's try another one. What's the value of the 5 in 75? That's right, 5, because it's 5 ones. Okay, how about the value of this 4 in 48? Now this time it's the tens column, so it's not going to just be 4, it's going to be 4 tens. What's the value of 4 tens? 40. Did you hear it, boys and girls? This one, we said 31, and the answer was the 1. 43, we said 3. 75, and we said 5. In this one, we said 48. So you're saying the answer right when you say the number. How about this one? What's the value of the 7 in 67? That's 7 ones. 7. Very good. And how about the value of the 8 in 85? That's 80. Very good. How about the value of 52 in 52? I'm sorry, what's the value of the 5 in 52? The red number is 50. Nice job, boys and girls. Well, that's it for today. Just to remind you that we were talking about the value of the numbers in a 2-digit number. Thanks for listening, boys and girls. See you later.